friends, Running Kimono here. So we have another curbside video, which means you order this through your cell phone or your desktop computer, and you order these items off the Walgreens app or the website, and you have it for a pickup at the store, curbside pickup. You drive to the store, and you either get it, they bring it out to you, or you go to the photo counter and then pick up your order. Pretty easy breezy. And we're just going to jog through the different variations. We're looking at little $10 baskets to make things work, and we have a lot of superb little deals in this video. So just to answer a quick question, I know a lot of you got turned around with the code SORRY15, but as you can see, I actually used it successfully this morning to get an extra 15% off. It's 15 cents, guys, so if that's going to break you, I would suggest not doing any of these deals, but I got an extra 15 cents of savings using the code SORRY15. Perhaps in certain regions they pulled it, or perhaps you already used it. And SORRY15 is all together. It's not two, like sorry and 15. It's all one. Maybe you were typing it in incorrectly, perhaps. I don't know, but I was still able to get it to work this morning for my little deal. So the first one we're going to talk about is getting this Refresh anti-dandruff shampoo for $5.99. Obviously, it's cheaper with the curbside prices than in store. In store is probably an arm and a leg. But as a curbside, it's $5.99, which is really terrific. We have a $5 digital coupon. So that's 99 cents for this shampoo. If you suffer from dry scalp, psoriasis, dandruff problems, yep, it's not fun. This stuff, I've always wanted to try, but paying $8 or $9 for one of those, no. But for 99 cents, that has my interest right there. Now, to get the basket to $10, because you need a minimum of 10 buckos, we're going to throw in some Rimmel Cosmetics. Now, I can't give you specifically what to grab because you know what, guys? It's such a ragtag of what your store might have. And if you don't like Rimmel, I have another deal for you with this shampoo, but you're really going to have to play around in the app and figure out to get your basket to $10 because there's a lot of digital coupons that are attaching to these cosmetics and doing it curbside a little cheaper as well. So we have a $2 manufacturer, a $1 manufacturer, and then a 4 off of 2 IVC coupon. So you're just going to have to get creative and finesse it. Again, I can't give you the exact amount of what to get because every store will be different for this of what they have left in inventory. So I put the shampoo and then a whole bunch of Rimmel Cosmetics, and just look at this math. It's all over the place. And for this one, I think that code SORRY15 did not apply for this, but for the I got some soap and that Derma shampoo, and it worked for that. So I don't know, guys. It's Walgreens. Not everything is perfect. But after all of those amazing coupons, the subtotal now is $3.02. And because we are extreme couponers, do you want to pay that or do you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash? Well, the answer for me is to use a little bit of Walgreens cash because we're all here for the one mission to save a lot of money. So what I did, guys, was on the payment page, top left-hand corner, you can scroll down to select the amount of Walgreens cash you wish to use. You can use up to $3. So I would pay 2 cents for this order. And I think I had a couple lip balms and a mascara and, just got creative. And again, I don't want to show you an exact thing to get because I think to emulate that, it would be really, really difficult. But yeah, just how nice is it? If you want to get some Rimmel Cosmetics, this is a way to definitely do it on the cheap. And I think using $3 of Walgreens cash is super smart. Okay, so GME Coupons over on Instagram posted this on Sunday. Unfortunately, this soapbox company, they make a coconut milk and sandalwood body wash. That actually sounds quite glorious. $5.99 as the curbside price. And there is a 6 off coupon, essentially making this completely for free. Here's the coupon, guys. Now, I'm going to let you know, I live in rural Michigan. Can't find this. So maybe if you live in a bigger city, perhaps you'll be able to find it. But I know that like in small town Michigan, no, absolutely not. That's the only answer we're getting. So good luck with this one. But I could not find it to save my life. And online, if you're going to do this as an online order where you would have the order, shipped to your home, it's completely out of stock as well. Okay, so these little bars of Neutrogena, it's an acne-prone soap. Again, special thank you to GME. She was talking about this morning and she's right on the money. And most stores have these in stock. Grabbing 2 of them. If you have acne prone skin like yours truly, this might be a thing to grab. We have a really generous 5 off of 2 digital coupon that is in fact attaching. I think one of my accounts had 3 different coupons for this. There was like 2 5 off of 2s and a $2, but only one attaches. So this one, so it's pretty cool. So it makes the soap like really cheap. And then what I wanted was 2 of these soaps and then this shampoo. So I didn't get the Rimmel. This is my basket. 2 Neutrogena soaps and 1 shampoo. This is my basket. And of course, I needed this $5 digital loaded. So super uber easy deal. And it's not like messing around with a whole bunch of makeup if makeup is not your thing. So I have the 5 off of 2 for the Neutrogena, the $5 for that shampoo, and then 18 cents for the Sorry 15. So my big savings right there. As you can see, guys, my itemized basket here, it's $1.70, but we can do better than that. So I utilized $1 of Walgreens cash, paid 70 cents, and I'm laughing all the way to the bank and back. It's a curbside. I have to drive to the store to grab it, but I'm okay with that. If you're going to do that fancier body wash that's $5.99 free, you would be a little short to get yourself to the $10, so you'd need something around $4 price point, but make it happen. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.